Hello, today I am in the Munich Airport train station. So today I am going to show you how to buy a train ticket from the Munich Airport to the Munich City Center in 2 minutes. So when you come to level 4 of the Munich Airport, you are finding this kind of ticket machines where you can get the tickets, and I am going to show you how you can get it. So first of all, in the screen you change the language at the upper above corner to English, and then you see different options. Airport City day ticket single for one person, it's €16.30. So that's for one person. That's a ticket valid for 5 zones from 6 AM until the next day for one person. It's for €16.30. The other one is until 5 people, also a day ticket, valid for 5 zones, valid until the 6th of the following day for €30.50. So the zones here can be seen. Where we are now is here at the airport, and the zones are here indicated in the map. So if you want to, for example, pay the day ticket, you press the 1630 button, and then you can pay it with Master or credit card, or also with coins and notes, as you can see. So this is how you can get a ticket from Frankfurt Airport to the city center.